So even though I am an instructor at Kenneth Shuler, I am a graduate as well. Well, my name is Jamal. I am an aesthetics instructor at Kenneth Shuler, the School of Cosmetology. Before I graduated, I kind of already knew what I wanted to do. I wanted to go work for myself. But Kenneth Shuler definitely helped out a lot because of the Prosper You program, which is our built-in business course. The things that I knew, I was able to build on it a little bit more because of the course. So one of the things that brought me back here, I've always believed in pouring into other people. So what better way than to come back to the school that I graduated from and teach somebody what I learned, whether that is in the field or from the school. And honestly, I love every moment of it. If you're considering cosmetology or aesthetics, Kenneth Shuler is definitely the place for you. You have lots of instructors who are fun to be around, who know what they're talking about, and are here to help you grow in the field. And Kenneth Shuler is one of the best choices for you.